Hello, I'm Shawn Williams. I'm a landscape photographer in Ireland, and in these videos I like to demo some of the kit that I use to help me with my landscape photography. And today I'm going to go through the Golabs 60W solar panel. I purchased this to accompany my Golabs R150 power station to basically charge up all my devices, including my camera, my drone and things like that when I'm out in the country with taking landscape photography. And I got the solar panel to charge up the power station. So I'll take you through the video and give you a demo of it. This is everything you get with it. You get all the DC adapters, you've got the DC cable, you've got crocodile clips for charging batteries externally with a DC input, you've got an Anderson connection, you've got 3 pegs to peg it in the ground. They go into here when you put the legs out. You've got the manual and you've got the 60W solar panel. And that's what it looks like. First impressions, as it's relatively small and compact. Seems to be pretty good quality all around. The stitching, the material that's been used. On the front here you've got, looks to be pretty waterproofed bag, or as much as possible. You got a dedicated solar panel connections. Then you've got your DC output, your USB-C, and your 2 USB-A plugs. You've got a nice handle on the top to hold it and carry it. Now there's magnets holding it together, as you can see here at the top. It snaps together. And there's your panels. Take this plastic cover off. Now you can see the size of the 3 panels all folded out. And again, first impressions, really good. They're really good quality. Here's the magnet at the top here. Keep it all together. If I flip it over onto the back, that's what it looks like in the back. You've got your 3 stands. Just fold out like that. This one has the bag and the stands. That folds out. And last but not least, that one. So first impressions, very good. With my Golabs R150, I'll probably use the MC4 connector. What I'll probably do is I'll probably keep this permanently connected into here till they go in just like that. And I'll just keep that cable in there so that I can unwind that and plug it in to the DC input there. going to show you how to set up the Golabs 160 watt solar panels. Here. Okay, this is it all set up. See, I've got the stakes in there. I've got my R150 all plugged in. We're getting about 20 watts. And the way I've done it here is I've zipped the bag up mostly to keep it waterproof, and there's just a small little gap down at the bottom. But it's a pretty good setup. And it's relatively sturdy, especially when you put the stakes down. There you go. That's the review. That's the review of the 60 watt Golabs solar panels.